How do I extract addresses? Yesterday we had seen, various mechanisms. You know. So here, basically, it depends whatever address that is given to us, right? So we will always have that network address. The address which is given to us, divided it into two parts. Uh, it will be divided into two parts. One is prefix part and one is suffix part, right? And assuming that our prefix is of length n, then we can, what I meant to say, always get three types of information, and that will be shown in the figure, you know. So the number of addresses in the block can be found. So the formula for finding the number of addresses that are present in the given block of address is n is equal to 2 raised to power 32 minus 1, where the n, where 32 is nothing but the total number of bits that are present in the address, right? And what I meant to say, prefix length is given to be small n, and capital N is nothing but the number of addresses that can be found in the block. Now if I want to find the first address means the address of networks. You got the idea? So we can keep how exactly this can be done. So 32 bits minus, you got the idea, n I will take, small n I will take, whereas small n is nothing but prefix length, assuming that my prefix length is 22. So 32 minus 22 will be 10, what I meant to say, bits. So that rightmost 10 bits will be all set to 0. The moment we do that, we get the first address, right? That is network address. Now I want to know connection address or host address. So just I'll do what is, again I'll take 32 bits minus what I meant to say, prefix length. Prefix length here I have taken for example 22. So 32 minus 22, 10. So in this case, to find number of hosts or connections, I'll take 10 rightmost bits, I'll make it 1. So I'll be getting the number of what I meant to say, hosts or connections. So this is how. I think this already I have explained. So I need not explain this. Now address will be always in this form, A, B, C, D slash n, where n is nothing but the length of prefix, how many bits out of these 32 bits. Each one here, A will be of 8 bits, B will be of 8 bits, C will be of 8 bits, and D will also be of 8 bits. That makes it total 32 bits, and of which I am saying that the prefix is from left. If you start what I'm to say, counting number of bits, that defines the prefix length. So from left to right, say it is 21 bits. So 21. So 32 minus 21 means suffix will be nothing but 11 bits. This is how. So 32 minus. So this is how we go for. So if I want to find the first address, it is very simple. Very simple in the sense, you take prefix as it is. Do not change anything in prefix. All bits that are there in prefix, n bits means 21 bits, where as it is you have to keep, and the remaining 11 bits what you are getting, you got the idea, you have to make them all 0, despite whether they are 1, 0, whatever, make it 0 completely. So that gives you first address. Similarly, we can have last address, right? So last address is again very simple. Keep the prefix as it is. Do not change anything in prefix. The only last 11 digits, because we have taken prefix length as 21, and prefix length may vary since it is classless, what I meant to say, addressing concept, classless addressing concept. So I can choose to decide the size of prefix, that is the number of networks. So here prefix I am not going to, length of prefix I am not going to change, assuming that it is 21 bits. So first 21 bits will remain as it is. The last 11 bits out of 32 bits, I'll make all of them 1. So this gives me the last address of the, what I meant to say, network. So we'll see the example, right? So a classless address is given by 167, 199, and 170, 82 by 27. From this, can we find the starting address of the network and ending address of the network? Can we do that? So now, since the length of what I meant to say, this thing prefix is given to be 27 bits over here, 27 bits over here. So this is the whole size is 32 bits. We have to convert this into binary. So this gets converted into binary comprising of 8 bits. This also gets converted into binary bits into basically 8 bits, and this is again 8 bits, and this is again 8 bits. Out of these 32 bits, what we have converted into binary, first 27 bits taken from left to right, you got the idea, are taken as prefix. So if I take the network addresses, I can take this as capital N if I want to calculate. So since we have seen that capital N formula is given by this capital N is given by formula n raised to 2 raised to power 32 minus n. You got the 2 raised to power 32 minus n. So I'll be doing that. So 2 raised to power 32 minus n is the prefix length. So prefix length is 27. So 32 minus 27, I'll be getting 2 raised to power 5. That will be 32 addresses will be there. Now, how can I find that from this given address, how can I find that out of 32 address, where this address begins from and where this address ends? So that concept is very simple. You got the idea. You take 27 bits, you count 20, these are all 32 bits, which is nothing but binary equivalent of 167. This is binary equivalent of 199, this thing, and binary equivalent of this 170, and 82 binary equivalent is this. Now what I'll do, I'll take first address I want to calculate. So I take first 27 bits as it is. So this is 8 plus 8, 16 plus 8, 24 bits, and these 3 bits, you got the idea, 27 bits. Remaining all bits, I'll make it 0. You got the idea, remaining all bits, I'll make it 0. So this, becomes 64, I think. 2 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this becomes 64. So the address starts from 167, 199, 170, 64. You got the idea? And this is one of the address. This is one of the address in this entire range of first address and the last address. Now, I want to find the last address. You got the idea, out of these 32 network addresses. So what is the last address? So this is as it is. So this whole thing I converted it into binary. So these are the binary equivalent of these, 4 what I meant to say quantities. And here I take the last, the first 27 bits I do not change because that is prefix length. The last, what I meant to say, 5 bits, what were there, 5 bits, I'll convert them to 1. While finding first address, I'll convert the last, what I meant to say, digits, 5 digits to 0. And here, I'll convert the last 5 digits to 1. And then, now I'll try to find this value, it is 95. So, starting address of the network, this particular network that is assigned to an organization, starting address is 64. That means 167, 199, 170, 64. And it ends at 167, what I meant to say, 199, 170, 95. So total difference is 95 minus 64. You will get it as 32. You got the idea? So roughly 32, what I meant to say, networks are there. These are the starting address, ending address, and this was the sum address. So if any address is given to you, you can always find the starting address of the network and the last address of the network. That's the concept. Now, another method is also there. If I, want to know the same thing, this was the concept which I had told just now was the simplest concept of finding the first address and the last address. We'll have a concept of something called as address mask also. Address mask. You got the idea? Using address mask also, we should always get the, the first address and last address from the given address, So given address will always happen to be some in-between address, but from that I want to find the network address. So now how do I find, question arises, how do I find address mask? So address mask will always be what I'm saying, 32 bits in size, 32 bits in size. You got the idea? So generally, how do I find this? Suppose my network, what I meant to say, see this n, that is prefix length, is 27. You got the idea? So whatever is the address value, like a dot b dot c dot d slash small n slash small n. So slash small n, whatever is given. So here, if we take the pen, so here this is nothing but a. You got the idea? Dot. I'll take this as b. Dot. I'll take it as c dot. I'll take it as d, right, and slash n I have slash n I have. Now this n is nothing but, suppose the prefix length is out of these 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, total 32 bits, 27 bits are what I mean to say this thing. So address mask, how will I find? So address mask, this is called address mask. All 27 bits, you just make it 1. Remaining all, make it 0. Now if your this prefix length is suppose 22. So what you do is address mask, to find address mark, first 22 bits will be all ones and remaining 10 bits will all be zeros. Concept is very simple of address mask. Now suppose I have what I meant to say, the size of address mask as say 24. So what I meant to say, out of 32 bits, first 24 bits you make as all ones, and remaining what I meant to say 8 bits you make all zeros. So that's the simple concept. You got the idea? And not of mask. Not of mask means if you take not of this, all ones will become 0 and all zeros will become 1. This is there. Now based on the concept of mask and not mask, we try to define what I mean to say, the number of addresses blocks. You got the idea? And then we try to define the first address in the block and the last address in the block. This is what we do. So the formula for number of addresses in the block n is given as not mask plus 1. Am I clear over here? Not mask plus 1. So if I take not of this mask, so this all will become zeros and this all will become 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So plus 1, plus binary digit 1 if you make. So this is nothing but 1 plus 2, that is 3 plus 4, 7 plus 8, 15 plus 16, total 31, plus this one becomes 32. So I can know that total 32, what I meant to say, these things are there. Got the idea? Now, next is first address in the block. It is nothing but any address that is given in the block, that is A, B, C, D. That is, these are 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits, any address in the block. And then you have to AND it with the mask. This is mask address. You got that for any address, this will be the mask address. The mask address will depend on the prefix size. If the prefix is 21 bits, so 32 minus 21 is 11 bits. All 11 bits will be 0. Remaining all 21 bits will be 1. Prefix 11 bits will be ones. So this is there, and last address is nothing but any address block, that is A, B, C, D I take. You got the idea? And I'll OR it with not of the mask, with not of the mask. Now here, for first address, I am taking any address in the block. You got the idea? And I am ANDing it with the mask bit, with mask bits. So let us see one example, simple example of that, assuming that mask in dotted decimal notation, if you want to see dotted decimal notation, if you want to see, it is nothing but 256, 256, 256 dot 224. And or not can be applied. So here we have this address given A, B, C, D, and 27 is given to be the prefix length. That is, this is A, B, and C, and D. This is any address. Now I want to find starting address and ending address. So starting, convert them into binary. 161 converted into binary is this. 199 converted to binary is this value, and 170 converted to binary is this value, and 82 converted to binary value is this, right? Now we have seen, just now we have seen that 27 means first 27 bits of this, you make it as it is, do not change anything. And 32 minus 27 means last 5 bits. You make it as 0, you are getting first address. So convert this into, uh, this decimal number. So you will get this as it is 167, this as 199, because I have not changed anything in this. 170 as it is, but here it got changed. The last value, it got changed from 82, it has become 64. You got the idea? This, if you calculate, it is 64. So this is the starting address of the network. These mean total number of networks is 32, and this is the starting address. Now I want to find the last address. So last address, again, prefix does not change. You got the idea? And last 5 bits are made 1, and with this value I'll be getting is 95. So this is what we have seen, but second method, I have to do it by second method. So in the second method, the formula told me that I have to find the network address. This we have already done. The first address is nothing but any address in the block and AND it with mask. You got the idea? So now AND it with mask means this was there. Any address means I have just taken the address of 167.199 plus 170.82. I've taken like this, and this has to be ANDed with mask. So since the length is 27, so 27 ones will be there. So this is 8 plus 8 plus 8, 24 plus 3, 27. Remaining all 5 bits are 0. This is called mask definition. This is mask definition. And I will AND this. So if I AND this, simple AND table is this. Simple AND table is this, right? Simple AND table is this. So let me, okay. So here you can see 1. This becomes 1 1 1. The value is 1 I have taken, and 0 1 is 0. 1 0 is 0. 1 1 is 1. So using this particular AND table form, 1 1 is 1. 0 1 is 0. 1 1 is 1. Like this, if I go on doing this, I am getting the value of this as this is nothing but 167, 199. Then this is 170 as it is, and then finally I'll be getting something called as this 64. So this I have got it by second method, ANDing method. Now I have a formula for last address. You got the idea? So last address, the formula is given as any address, what I mean to say, sorry, any address in the block, or I have to OR it with not of the mask. Not of the mask means all zeros, first 27 zeros followed by all ones. So this is what is the formula. Not mask is this, and do AND with this. You have this value with you, this 90, this thing. So the address given was this. 167, 199, 170, 82, whatever was given, and you AND or with this not mask, you will get this value. So this is the method of solving this, right? Now, well, it's the same thing. Another example that is being given. So here, network not mask plus 1. So this is 31, 32, and this was the same thing what I have got. Okay. So they have given some examples. If for example, the address this is given 238, 24, 20, 56 is given to me. Convert them all into binaries, and then apply any of the method, the first method or second method, anyone you apply. You got the idea. Convert them into binary digits, and this will be 8 bits. 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 And if I take some standard lengths, you got the idea. Say 60. In that case, block will start from, network address will start from 238. You got the idea. 0 0 2. What I'm saying, if I'm taking length as 16, 2 238, 255, 255. If I take prefix length as what I meant to say, small n as 20, so that means out of 32 bits, first 20 bits are, you got the idea, this thing, and the last 12 bits. are going to change for first address. So I'll be getting the address as 0, what I meant to say 2, 230, 831, 255. Similarly, if the length is what I meant to say prefix length is 26, so 32 minus 26, 32 minus 26, it will be 5. You got the idea? Sorry, 26 minus 32 minus 26 will be 6, not 5. So starting address will be this. This all you can calculate. I mean to say you can easily calculate by using any of the formulas. So these are the starting address. This is the ending address of the network.